Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to another video on my channel. I'm your usual host, Sarasu TCG, and we are here with an absolutely nostalgic set, the Maze of Memories. We're gonna open this, we're gonna love it, because this is a true old school fan set. So let me quick rip this open and I'll be right back. Alright, here we have it, 24 packs. This is a must-have set for every old school fan and for everyone who loves Gate Guardian and wants to play Gate Guardian. And of course a lot of other very cool cards are in here. So without further ado, we're gonna start right off with the first pack. Oh yes, let's see. The Mech Knight Yellow Star, Zeit aufzustehen. The Ancient Fairy Dragon with the bad effect. Battle Royale, whatever, and neue Zukunft schmieden, Sage vom Drachenkreis, and nice. Solemn Judgment, very nice. That it's got a reprint in here because perfect negate card. Always has been a staple, you know, like one of these advertisements. Solemn Judgment has been a staple since 2002, and it is. Königlich Erlass, Yugioh, nice. Mech Knight Red Moon, Battle Royale Mode, Ryuku Guardian, the Gate Guardian, very nice. And Super Antiker Tiefseekönig Köliant. However this is pronounced. Also reprinted, I guess. Labyrinth Walls. How long has it been then that Labyrinth Wall was pulled in? You know, that's from Spell Ruler. Oh my god. Gate Guardian, very nice. Gate Guardian, Super Soldier Ritual, Barian Antopia. Also very nice reprint. Kagetsu and Materialnetzwerk. Okay. Yeah, obviously. You probably already realized that there's a foil in every pack. Usually there are 3 ultra rares in a display, and we have the chance for 1 collector's rare. Rika Blütenblatt, collector's rare, Gate Guardian would be nice. Heimtückische Valkyrie, Gerichtshof, oh very nice. The evolution of the Shadow Ghoul. Sage vom Drachenkaiser, Red Eyes Soul, it's also a new print. That was only available in the OCG. And another Solemn Judgment. Very nice. Hey, give me those judgments. We have Labyrinth Wall Shadow, Mech Knight Blue Sky, Pfingstrose, Battle Royale Mode, Kalut, Chaos Form, and yes, that's actually one of the better fusions from the Gate Guardian of Wind and Water. He can negate up to 2 times the activation of a trap or spell card. Or effect. Or both. Something like that. So very powerful. Engel der blauen Tränen. Sage vom Drachenkaiser, Photonen. Okay. Dieser unheimliche kleine Punk. Okay. Die Eisenbahn, again. That was reprinted again already in Tactical Masters, I guess. Flink Anla, and oh yes, here's the big boy. The United Gate Guardians. Oh, Gate Guardian, very cool. Awesome, finally this got support and reprints and upgrades and evolution versions of it, because it's so cool to play that. Ziele des Obersten Königs, Mech Knight Yellow Star, die Eisenbahn, Mech Knight Red Moon, Ancient Fairy Dragon, Kagetsu, and Mech Knight Crusader Aeromax. Very nice. Very good card. Also a staple, I would say. Also good that Aeromax got a reprint because it was very expensive, at least here in Europe. Elfin, Doppelangriff, Wind and Thunder, Künstlerkumpel, Rika, Engel der blauen Tränen, Beute is also very nice card. Trap monster, and it does not target, so gonna read through it, it's cool. Oh yes, very nice. We got this one, the Black Luster Soldier Legendary Swordsman. Oh man. He's so cool. What an awesome card, right? And he has an awesome effect too. If you ritual summon him with a normal monster and he attacks and he destroys the opponent's monster, then you can shuffle back all cards the opponent controls back into the deck. Nice. Love that. Pfingstrose der Kaffee. Labyrinth Wall, Shadow, Gerichtshof, Shadow Ghoul, tiefe dunkle Fallgrube, neue Zukunft schmieden, and another Gate Guardian fusion of water and thunder. Very nice. This was... Okay, you can change the decay of a monster to 0. Of a monster of your opponent, of course. Ryoko-Wächter, Labyrinth Wall, das unheimliche kleine Punk, Suijin, Super Soldat Neutral, Kalut, and oh yeah, also gonna need that for the deck. The heavy Labyrinth Pants, and that's awesome. You can just normal summon them. Just like that. You can normal summon this card without attribute. Nice. Sanga of the Thunder, nice. Overlast Fusion, Radar Zone, heimtückische Fallgrube, Elfin, Midnight Blue Sky, and auf die Plätze fertig Duell. Okay. Beute des Shiraigo, nice. Engel der Belantren, Kazejin, First Time Kazejin, Ancient Fairy Dragon, tiefe dunkle Fallgrube, Ryoko-Wächter, and Schnell Synchro Sternenstaubdrache. I guess this is also a new card out of this set. Don't know what he does. I'm gonna read through it later. Zeit aufzustehen. That's true. Labyrinth Wall Shadows, Barian Utopia, Doppelangriff, Cost Down, Song of the Thunder, and the Gate Guardian of Wind and Water. The Spell and Trap Negate. Gate Guardian. Labyrinth Wall, Barian Utopia, becomes Elfin, Punk, Flink Angler, and Thunder and Wind. We didn't have that before yet. I'm still thinking about how to combine the Gate Guardian pieces, or the Gate Guardian archetype now, with some other archetype, because the Gate Guardian archetype alone is strong, but not very unique. You need a little bit of a plan B, and still thinking about the plan B, something like Gate Guardian mixed with, for example, Dogmatica or whatever. Still working on that. Königlicher Rast, Zephyros, Suijin, Photon Orbital, Zeit aufzustehen, Kazejin und Materialnetzwerk. Künstlerkumpel, whatever, Kayuri Getsu, Yellowstar, Gerichtshof, Kalut, Blue Knight, and another Solid Judgment. Yes, yoo-hoo! We have a playset of Solid Judgment now. Chaos Form, the another view, whatever dimension, Overlast Fusion, Gate Guardian, Red Moon, Photon Orbital, and Heavy Labyrinth Tag. Nice, we need that for the deck, definitely. Battle Royale Mode. Ziele des obersten Königs, Sauge von Drachenkaiser, Cost Down, Gate Guardian, Doppelangriff, and Evolutionsendausbruch. This was something with however how much fusion materials you use, you can attack that much. Something like that. With Cyber Dragon Fusion Monsters, whatever. Barian Antopia, Künstlerkumpel, Kayuri Getsu, Kazejin, Blue Sky, Dimension Thing, and oh my god, what is that? Firewall, Dragon, Dog, Fluid, Neo, whatever, Terrorists. Oh my god. 3 Cyber monsters, and a link 5. Oh, nice. Negate all monster effects your opponent activates during the battle phase. Nice, quick effect. You can send 1 Cyber monster from your deck or extra deck to the grave, and if you do that, this card becomes the attribute of the monster sent to the grave, and also it gains 2500 ATK. Of course. You can use this effect of Fireball, Dragon, Dog Fluid, whatever, only once per turn. This card can attack. Oh my god. It has this attribute continuously. So, oh my god. This card can attack as often as the different types of attributes it has. Oh my god. So, if this thing is for example, Dark, Light, Wind, Fire, Earth, it can attack 4 times with 2000. No, it always, anytime it gains 2000 ATK, so it has 4, it gained 10,000 ATK, so it has 13,000 ATK, and can attack 4 times. And it negates all the effects of your opponent's monsters during the battle. Nice. Alright, Shirakumo. Flinker Angler, Zephyrus, Zeit aufzustehen, Shadow Ghoul, whatever, and Super Ancient Deep Sea King Cooliant. Take out the few remaining packs. Red Eyes Soul, Soul of the Overking, whatever. Song of the Thunder, Overlust Fusion, whatever. And auf die Plätze fertig. Duell. Kalut, Cost-Down, Sage, Rekabelin-Blatt, Kaiserlich Eisenmar, Midnight Yellow Star, and Gate Guardian of Thunder and Wind. Nice. Give me all these Gate Guardian fusions. Doppelangriff, whatever. Ancient Fairy Dragon, Angel of the Blue Tears, and the Neue Zukunft Dream, Überlast Fusion, Labyrinth Wall, and Gate Guardian of Water and Thunder. Oh, I guess now I have from every fusion 2. That's good. Last pack. Elfin, Super Soldier, Ritual, Zuijin, Sephiroth, Ryoku, Labyrinth Wall, Shadow, and Gate Guardian of Wind and Water. Nice. Oh yes, haha. Well, I can't complain about the pools because actually all the Gate Guardian pieces, and of course the pieces and the fusions. Also this pretty badass looking thing. This stuff, 3 times Strong Judgment actually, and this thing I don't know what that does. Of course him. Oh my god, very nice. Ever makes 1, another Judgment and another Judgment. Nice. Awesome set. Definitely recommend you get yourself a display of that because it's an awesome set. Anyway, without more talking here, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.